What's going on, guys? Hope all's well. Finally in my truck again. My air conditioner works. But I'm going to a no AC call in Scarsdale, New York. It just says, the lady says that it's not blowing as cool as it should be. It's not blowing as cool as it should be. Well, let's go see what it is. Could be a filter, could be whatever. I hope all is well. I haven't filmed in a little bit, but I'm filming today. What's the temperature? It's like 90 degrees. Yeah, it's 90. All right, let's see. Sure, there's AC here. And there is. Okay. Upstairs. That's my upstairs. Alright, let's see what it is. What it is. What it is. Yeah. Somebody was messing with it. Maybe the homeowner. So we got a 5 capacitor. So we're gonna go common to fan. Oops. Then we're looking for common to Herm, which is your capacitor, which is your compressor. It's supposed to be 50. Don't ask how I know that. But I do. $49. Now the way I'm gonna check, I was watching Misfits of HVAC the other night, and they were saying, you know, don't always not film what you think everyone knows. So I'm taking my common, which is coming off my capacitor. So there's 3 wires off, right? Taking my common, which is off my top of my capacitor. That's gonna, contactor. That's gonna be my common to my capacitor. It's in the middle on this one. Okay. Then I can see that my purple is coming from my fan here. Okay. So this wire is coming down. We're gonna put this to fan. And the fan, we don't always know, but like Mikey Pipe says, you have 2 prongs, 4 prongs, 3 prongs. So usually your 3 prongs is your Herm, your 2 prongs would be your fan, and your 4 would be your common. That's not always the case, but most of the time it is. And then the reason why I'm taking this yellow wire is because it's coming from down here, which would be my compressor. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it right here. And then we should start up. We're getting our 24 volts, which is our thermostat. The way you would check your 24 volts is from here to here. And if you ever want to change, well, You can go inside and turn the thermostat off, but what I do sometimes is I'll take one of these off so I don't blow a transformer, especially with an indoor unit like that one. And I would pull one of these off to lose my 24 volts, but then I would electrical tape this so it doesn't touch any metal and short out the transformer inside. Should really change this contactor. Now what we're gonna do is turn this guy on. That's some serious heat too. But I'm gonna go check inside the split. Temp drop. Sounds like the wrong vent. Those vents over there are summer or winter. Heat rises. It's old system. 59, I'll take it all day. So, all right, I asked them what they were doing, like who was touching it. They said they had another company here messing with it, but I don't understand what they couldn't do and why the capacitor was disconnected. This guy's running nice. 60 degrees, 59 degrees coming out. It's like 78 in there, even though it says 74. Upstairs, there's this unit right here is dropping air, so my actual temperature in the room was 78.8 and 59 degrees right here. You're good. All right, so I figured it out. So they had another company out here for maintenance, and the other company, I guess they called them and said, listen, after you guys left, the system's not working. The other company told them like 5 days to get out here, which is crazy because if it's a callback. So I guess the other company was doing the maintenance and was checking the cap maybe, which is easy to do and forget to put the wires on. But they're all set. They're cooling. They're good. Yo, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Shout out Misfits of HVAC. Ryan Hughes, Jennifer. I know you got a Guinea last name. I just forgot the last name. Manzo. Pipe Doctor, Mikey Pipes, and Daniel, DC HVAC. Check them out. Take care. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.